does what at home?
Cooking.
Dati, it's my wife. I don't know how to cook. I just know how to eat. But now, it's currently our helper in the house.
Wash the dishes.
Before, it was me. But now, it's our helper in the house.
Laundry.
Before, it was my wife. Then, sometimes, pinapalaundry din namin yung mga ibang damit namin. But now, it's our helper. Pero yung mga bed sheets pa rin namin, ay pinapa-laundry pa rin namin siya.
Cleans the house.
Dati ako, and sometimes in-outsource ko rin siya sa a guy that I know on a monthly basis or sometimes twice in a month. But now, it's our helper.
Pays the bills.
Dati, and even now, ako pa rin.
Groceries.
Most of the time, it's us, kaming dalawa ng misis ko, ang nag-grocery. But we ask help for the list of groceries na kailangan namin from our helper. And sometimes, minsan din, kasama rin namin yung helper namin para mas madali.
Manages the money.
Me, always, has been.
Books appointments, flights, hotels.
As familiar yung wife ko when it comes to that. She does the research. And when we travel, I'm just like, woo! Ito pala yung gandang hotel. Ito pala yung mga places that we go to.
Household repairs.
Ako, I make sure that yung mga kailangan natin i-repair sa bahay, it may be the sink, it may be the roof, it may be whatsoever na problem sa bahay, ako yun.
Who takes care of the baby?
Kaming lahat. Meron kaming kinuha na yaya, of course, para makatulong rin sa amin because we are also running like businesses and that business needs our attention as well. But we also find ways to like spend time with our baby. I read books to her. Tapos yung mga moments rin na kailangan ko mag-change a diaper, I also change a diaper. Kung kailangan ko magpapatulog, kahit na mahirapan si baby matulog kung ako yung kasama. But I try. Si Mrs. naman, siya halos lahat like taking care of the food, make sure kung ano yung mga nutrients na kailangan niya, yung mga vitamins, and even the breast milk. So, she pumps even up to now. Siya rin yung natitake care sa mga appointments with like the vaccines, kung ano yung kailangan niya for the baby book. Tapos yung developmental ni baby sa pag-research sa mga schools, sa mga books that we are going to read, sa mga rules, like tulad ng no screen time muna. As a family, tulungan lang talaga sa kay baby. And sometimes, may mga moments na wala rin kami. So, we ask help rin sa kanyang mom para mag-visit here to make sure that the baby is okay. Lalo na kung meron kami mga out of town na mga business activities. I think the most important thing lang is that find ways to contribute in ways that you can. And if you have the capacity to outsource it to someone who can do it better, or maybe it's better that your time na pwede mo siyang gawin to earn money. In our case kasi, we are both into business, kami dalawa ng misis ko. So, most of the time, we find ways to generate money from there. And then, the things na makatulong rin sa amin, tulad ng mga household chores, consume kasi ng a lot of time and it can also consume our energy. So in that way, we try to outsource it to someone who can do the job. At least meron din siya trabaho, meron din siya kinikita. But sa amin din, we are also earning from our business. So parang it's okay to delegate the task, especially kung kailangan mo talaga ng tulong, as long as you see the value of the things that you do as a whole.